Hello, and good morning, guys. It's a lovely Friday morning. It's the end of the month. Today we are going to at the end of July. It's 31st of July 2026. And here's what we are looking at yesterday. Yesterday we were looking for potential buys above this level here. We never got the buys, we never got the safe buys here. We were also looking for high risk buys above this level here. Remember, I marked these levels for those of you that have a high risk appetite. And this is how you'd have taken this high risk buys above here. Once this candle closed above with a good bullish momentum, you can see the bullish momentum. The size of the candle is what determines the momentum. You can see the bullish momentum, very good bullish momentum. You can see all the way from here up to here, very small wicks. That you'd have taken this trade from here by limit here. Your stop loss just below this resistance that turned into support now. Okay, this is where you'd have placed your stop loss, and easily you'd have hit your TP here. Okay, you'd have hit your take profit here, or even here if you are aiming higher. You'd have already hit your TP. And for the high risk cells, the high risk cells, we are looking for high risk cells below this level here. It didn't play out well. That's why I say it's high risk. Yeah, it didn't play out well because once you this kind of closed with, you can see it had some good bearish momentum. You'd have entered here, sell limit here, and here waiting for the rejection, then retest rejection, then entry. If you entered immediately, then you'd have been stopped out. Okay, so that's for the high risk buys and the high risk sells. For the safe sells, this is where you'd have taken your trade from, but you never got any confirmation for the safe sells. Neither did you get confirmation for the safe buys. Okay, so yesterday for this for those who are waiting for the safe entries, you didn't get an entry. For the high risk takers, those with high risk appetite, then you'd have been faked out here, and you'd have hit your TP here. Okay, so that's all about yesterday. That's all about yesterday's trade. And today, let's see what we have today. Okay, so let's see what we have today. Today's Friday. It's the last day of the month, and let's see what you have on the fundamentals. On the fundamentals, we are looking at JPY, the CPI year over year at 2:30 a.m. Then we had at 6 a.m. BOG outlook report, the BOG policy rate, the monetary policy statement. Well, this is already passed, and it remained at 1%. The forecast was 1%, the previous was 1%, the actual came in at 1%. So we have some tentative BOG press conference. They've not specified the time. Apart from that, we are looking at nothing high impact today. Some medium impact on the core CPI flash estimates for the euro, and we have a Canadian dollar at 330, the GDP month over month. Then at 3:30, you have some medium impact data coming out on the employment cost index quarter over quarter. And at 5 p.m., we have revised consumer sentiments. That's on the USD. Okay, so on the USD, we have nothing high impact today. But keep in mind, it's Friday and it's the end of the month. So risk management is very vital today. Proper risk management is very vital today. And if you don't want to give your gains back to the market, practice proper risk management, and always remember, forex trading is very high risk, and there are no guaranteed returns. And whatever I put out here, it's just my outlook of the market. It's not advice to trade. I'm not a financial advisor, and wouldn't I wouldn't be advising you to trade. Okay, just sharing my ideas and my outlook of the market in general. Okay, so let's see what we have today. Let's do our analysis for the day. If you get entries, well and good. If you don't, Monday is another day. Okay. Remember, even not trading is also part of trading, because the aim of this game here is to protect your capital and grow it at the same time. Okay. So if you don't get entries, you don't force entries. Don't chase the market. Don't chase candles. Wait for price to get to your level. Wait for price to get to the levels that you're watching. Then wait for your look at your checklist, whatever you need to see to get into a trade, to execute a trade. If it checks out, well and good. If it doesn't, there'll always be another entry. Okay. So real quick, let's jump into the charts. We're gonna remove everything here. Start our analysis afresh. Start a fresh analysis. We always start on the 1 month. Is to take care to cater for the swing traders we have here, the position traders, and we have swing traders, we have position traders, we have the scalpers, we have day traders, all in this community. So this is our high, this is our low on the monthly. Uh, uh, from next month, I think we're gonna have a new low here, probably on Monday, and on the weekly, we are looking at there was this the support is still here. Our resistance is up here. On the daily, these are the levels we are watching. On the daily, we are looking at we had this break. We had this break below here, and we had this internal structure. So our most immediate resistance is up here. Is our most immediate resistance up here, and if we manage to break above this resistance here, then the next resistance that price is going to face will be this one, which is the swing high on the daily. This is just the internal structure, because we have this break here. This is the internal structure. This is the high. This is the high. This is the low. But internally, we have this break of structure here, which left this high here. Internal high, internal structure, internal high, and the support is still down here. So we jump down 4 hours, and on 4 hours, we are looking at. Did you get a break here? No, we didn't have a break here. On 4 hours, we are looking at. There was this change of character here. There was a break of structure here. Remember, a break of structure is confirmed by a candle closing above or below with the body, not the wick. That's why I said this is not a break of structure here, because we don't have a body closing below this level. All these are just wicks. All this here are just wicks here. So there's no break of structure there. So the last break of structure we had was here, which was a change of character actually. Price shifted bearish there. So our high is here on 4 hours, and our low is here on 4 hours. This is our low, this is our low, this is our high. Okay, so yeah, there we have it. You see, we didn't have any kind of closing below, because this level, the low on this candle is 2206 22.06, and these candles closed at 22.08. This one closed at opened at 22.07. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This candle closed at this opened at 22.07, and this one closed at 22. This one the low was 22.06. Yeah, we didn't have a break. 0607, we didn't have a break. This one closed at 22.65. No break. We are looking at something. There's no break there. Okay, there's no break of structure there. So this is the most immediate structure that was broken. This is our high, this is our low. So we identify this week's here, the lowest week as a target here. Is a target. If price breaks below here, we could be targeting this level here. Remember, this is our monthly and weekly low. It could be taken out today as price goes to set a new low on the monthly. This could be taken out today. So this is a trade worth watching out for. And on the higher side, we move that one there. Identify this week here as a target too. So this is our 4 hour. This is our 4 hour range. And jump down to 1 hour. And now on 1 hour. On 1 hour, this was the last structure that was broken on 1 hour. We had this break of structure here. We had a break of structure here. After that, we've not had a break above. Neither have we had a break below. But internally, I can see we had these structures that were breaking here. There's this break of structure here. So let's do this today. Let's work with this internal structure. See what it leads to. So here, this one has not broken. Or no, let's just deal with the main structure. Remember, we are on 1 hour. So this is our 1 hour high. And here we have our 1 hour low. We have our 1 hour low here. So this turns into a level. This is our 1 hour low. Okay. We have our 1 hour low there. This is a 4 hour low. So now we can remove this 4 hour low and work with this. This is the 4 hour low, which is also the 1 hour low. Okay. And this is our 1 hour high here. So here we are going to use the wicks. Let's use the wicks. This is the high. This is the low. But you can see we have this resistance here. We have a resistance here. Okay. So this is how I would take this trade. Let's jump to 1 hour, 30 minutes, I mean. So now on 30 minutes, there's the 8 a.m. candle, 8:30 a.m., 8 a.m. So here, this is what I would do. This is how I would take this trade. For the buys, I'm looking for buys above this level here. For the buys, I'm looking for buys above this level here. Potential buys above. Okay. Above that level, I could take buys. For the sales, I could push this candle there. For the cells, I'm looking for cells below this level here, potential cells below, and we're targeting, if you get the cells, remember this is the last break of structure we had here. That's the last break of structure we had there on 30 minutes. That's why we're using these levels. So here, if we get a short position there, we could push it to this level here. And if we get some good momentum, we could push it to this monthly low here. Okay. If we get some good momentum, push it to this low here. If we don't, then take your profits here. For the buys, we are looking at a long position. Take it from here. Target this high here. Okay. So this is what I would be looking at, I myself personally. I'm not telling you to take any of these trades, but if it meets your trading style or then you could watch out for check your checklist. If it meets your trading style, then it's a trade worth taking. So that's what I'll be looking at today. That's what I'm focusing on today. So let me see the targets on 4 hours. So these are the levels I'll be watching on 4 hours. Is that level there? Not level. Target. I'm targeting that level there. If we break below that, we have this level here. And if we break below that level, then I'm watching this level here. I'm watching that level there. On the buy side, there's that level there. Then we have this wick here. And finally, we have a wick here. So that's my outlook for today. That's the levels I'm watching. Remember, always trade what you see, not what you think. Risk management is always key. Protect your capital as you grow it. That's the only way you'll last longer in this game. Okay? So that's all. That's all I'm watching for today. So happy hunting, guys. Hope I'll see you on Monday for a recap of the same. Monday will be the first. No, Monday will be a new month. Will be in August now. So the month of July. Has been fair to us. At least we are ending the month in blue. Okay. So trade carefully today. Uh, risk management. Don't forget about that. And wait for price to come to your levels. Don't force trades today. It's the worst day to try and do that. Don't force trades. Don't chase candles. Wait for price to give you your entries. Okay. So Monday will be on that. Have a lovely weekend. See you on Monday. I'm out. Ciao.